Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use your remote controllable Helios bar heater. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to make sure of is that your Helios bar heater is remote controllable. If your Helios bar heater has a red LED indicator, it's not remote controllable. If it has an LCD display though, you can stay with me. Start off by connecting your heater to your main supply and flicking the power switch on the side of the heater to on. You'll see the display come on with the current room temperature. Press the on-off button to switch your bar heater on. The display will change, showing that it's on. To switch it off, simply press it again. Use the up and down buttons to adjust your target temperature. You'll see the temperature change on both the remote and the bar heater display. Press the timer button on the remote. You'll see the timer start flashing on the remote display. Use the up and down buttons to adjust the timer in 1 hour increments. When you're ready, press the timer button again to apply the change to your bar heater. To cancel the timer setting, simply press it one more time to return it back to 0 hours. Press the low power button to switch your heater to half power. You'll see the heat icon change to a half sun. Press the full power button to switch it back to full power. The display button allows you to switch the LCD display off, cutting your energy use slightly. Press it again to bring your display back. To lock your heater, simply press the lock button. You'll see the lock symbol appear on screen. Press the lock button again to unlock your heater. Press the Wi-Fi reset button followed by the display button to switch open window detection on. You'll see the word on your bar heater display. Repeat this button combination to toggle open window detection off, where you'll see off on your bar heater display. Press the CF button on your remote to switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. You'll see the display on both your remote and your bar heater change.